Okay, so now we're gonna ligate the wire. So we have the wires in. We're through our tube in the back and we have it pretty much down into each bracket there on both arches. So what we're gonna use is the orthodontic hemostat. So this is a locking hemostat. You squeeze to lock and then squeeze to unlock. And then we're gonna ligate the wire, and ligation means we're gonna kind of tie it all together, push it up against the teeth with these elastic O-rings. So what you wanna do is just grab the O-ring, lock your pliers, pull it off, and then you're gonna come in, and if you see this one here, how it's around all 4 of the little wings. So you wanna kind of put it on the wing, come down, down and around, and come up. Am I good? There we go. Okay, one more time. You're gonna pull it off, hook it on the wing, down over that wing, over this wing. Sometimes it's easier to go around the 2 tops, so over here, and then come here, underneath. Sometimes I twist, but see, sometimes when I twist, I don't get it on that hole. There we go, right there, just like that. So you're gonna ligate all of these. You don't have to ligate on the, where the tubes are. You'll ligate everything down, but what you have to watch is that your midline doesn't move. So you wanna make sure, don't start back here, because what'll happen as you're tightening it down, the wire's gonna move and then your midline's off. So I always like to start and do both teeth on opposite of the midline to make sure that it doesn't move from there. Okay? So then what else you wanna do is make sure that when you're done, that the wire is not too long in the back. So if you can see here on this side, our wire's good. It's not sticking out of the back. Okay, but on the other side, let's look at the other side. See how it's sticking out back there? So that's gonna poke the patient in the cheek. So we wanna cut this. And what we use to cut it is called the distal end cutter. Okay, so these you're gonna slide back, because remember the patient has a cheek right here. So we're gonna kind of slide back, pull it right up against that tube, grab the wire, squeeze it, and come out. And your wire should be there. Right there's the wire. So you want to make sure there's not anything long that's going to poke your patient back there. So you ligate everything and then cut it. And that will be your ligation appointment.